Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the second video lecture of class nursery. I am your maths teacher from Honors Kindergarten and Secondary School, Lahore. Class nursery, subject maths, video lecture number 2. Today our topics are what comes before, what comes after, what comes between, write one more and less. Kids, in this video, you will learn about the sequence of the given number, differentiate between less and more number. Counting. Kids, nursery class, count with your teacher, start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Nursery class, our first lesson is what comes before. What comes before? Before means pehle. Before means pehle. What comes before? What comes before 5? 4. 5 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? 4. What comes before 5? 4. Okay, now tell me what comes before 3? 2. What comes before 3? 2. Okay, nursery class, open your page number 20. Our topic is what comes before. Which number is this? 5. Now tell me what comes before 5. 4. Right here 4. Which number is this? 8. What comes before 8? 7. 7. Right here 7. Which number is this? 12. What comes before 12? 11. What comes before 12? 11. Which number is this? 15. 15. What comes before 15? 14. Right here 14. Which number is this? 10. What comes before 10? 9. Right here 9. Nursery class, do practice on page number 20. Nursery class, our next lesson is what comes after. After. What comes after? After means बाद में. After means बाद में. What comes after? What comes after 12? 13. What comes after 12? 13. What comes after 12? 13. What comes after 8? 9. What comes after 8? 9. Okay, now nursery class, our next lesson is what comes after. What comes after? After means बाद में. Which number is this? First of all, open your page number 39. Do work with your teacher. Which number is this? 12. Which number is this? 12. What comes after 12? 13. What comes after 12? 13. Right here 13. Which number is this? 24. What comes after 24? 25. Which number is this? 16. What comes after 16? 17. Right here 17. Which number is this? 28. What comes after 28? 29. Right here 29. Which number is this? 35. What comes after 35? 36. Right here 36. Nursery class, do practice on page number 39. Okay, nursery class, our next topic is what comes between. What comes between? Between means दरमियान में, सेंटर में. Between means center में. What comes between in 16 to 18? 17. What comes between in 17 to 19? 18. What comes between 17 to 19? 18. Okay, now nursery class, open your page number 24. Do work with your teacher. What comes between? What comes between? What comes between in 17 to 19? 18. Right here, 18. What comes between 14 into 16? 15. Right here, 15. What comes between in 18 to 20? 19. Right here, 19. What comes between in 16 to 18? 17. What comes between 10 to 12? 11. Right here, 11. Do work on page number 24. Okay, now nursery class, workbook page number 16. Open your page number 16. What comes after? What comes before? First of all, we done what comes before. What comes before 2? 1. What comes before 2? 1. What comes before 4? 3. What comes before 4? 3. What comes before 7? 6. What comes before 10? 9. What comes after? What comes after 2? 3. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 7? 8? 9. What comes after 3? 2. Okay, now nursery class. Now our topic is one more and one less. Open page number 31. Do work with me. Okay, now count with me. Start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which number is less than 9? 8. Which number is less than 9? 8. Right here, 8. 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. Which number comes after 9? 10. Right here, 10. Which number comes after 9? 10. 10 number is more than 9. Okay, now count with me again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Which number comes before 15? 14. 14. Yes. 14 is less than 15. 14, 15, 16. Which number comes after 15? 16. Yes. 16 is more than 15. Again, start count with your teacher. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Which number comes before 18? 17. Yes. 17 is less than 18. 17, 18, 19. Which number comes after 18? 19. Yes. 21, 22. 22. Which number comes before 22 is 21. Right here, 21. 21 is less than 22. 21, 22, 23. Which number comes after 22 is 23. Write here 23. 23 is more than 22. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26. Which number comes before 26 is 25. 25. Right here 25. 25 is less than 26. 25, 26, 27. Which number comes after 26 is 27. 27. Right here 27. 27 is more than 26. Okay, nursery class, do practice on page number 31. Summary. Today we have learnt about what comes before, what comes between, what comes after, and write one more or one less. Maths workbook, practice at home. Do work on page number 16, 20, 24, 31, 36, 39, 48, 59. Thanks for watching video.